Okay, this might take 2 videos, it may not. We'll see how it goes. But factoring completely has an outline to it. Every time you see the word factor, it really means factor completely. So when we have a test on total factoring, it would just say factoring. Now, the Pop Quiz Tuesday, I will actually tell you factor the cubes, factor the trinomials. So first you look for the GCF factored out. Then you determine what type of polynomial is it. If it's a binomial, it's difference of squares, or some are difference. Oh, I put squares. Had it on my brain. Boy, those Snicker bars are working bad things with my brain. From now on, it's just apples. A trinomial, last term plus add, last term minus subtract. Fourth term we've actually done now, so it's broken up. So, let's see what we have. The first term, the first thing I need to do is say, what is the GCF? GCF is X, so I factor it out. Then I say, okay, can I factor this up? What's a binomial? Binomial is a difference of squares or sum of difference of cubes. Now remember, the cubes have a poem to it. First, write it without the cubes. Then square the first term, opposite side, product of the two, add the square. I should send that to Snoop Diggity Dog. I bet he'd want to record it. So this would be x squared plus 1, x squared minus 1. But oh no, I have a difference of squares again. Now this I cannot factor. There is no sum of squares. So it'd be x squared plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, this one. Factor out the GCF. The GCF is 2. Oh, it's a binomial. So it's either going to be difference of squares or difference of cubes. So I do believe it's a difference of cubes. Hey, first write it without the cubes. Then, I'm going to write it below it, square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two, add the square. 2 squared is 4. Now this one, I've only shown you a couple of these problems, but when this is half of this, you can break this up into this term. So that'd be x squared, which is multiplied together, x to the 4th. Last term's plus, so both signs are minus. And 25 is 25 and 1. Holy bananas! I have 2 difference of squares, so let's break it down. Oh, that's a 5. X minus 5, x plus 1, mercy. Now, we're actually going to learn third quarter that the highest power tells you how many of the answers there are. Now, you may not be able to find them all, but it does tell you that. Here, GCF is 3. So factor it out. So factor this up. It'd be x plus 2, x plus 2. So it'd be 3x plus 2 squared. Okay. There's 7 problems, it looks like, down here. Freeze the video. Oh, I guess it's just 6 problems. Let me do this. That one's actually already done. So do those 6 and then turn me back on. I guess it will be just one video. Okay, so this one, factor out the GCF, which is x to the 4th. So it'd be x squared plus 7x plus 12. X to the 4th. Now don't lose this. That is a factor. We factored it out. So it'd be x plus 3, x plus 4. This one, factor out the GCF, it's x. Now I got a binomial. So we're going to do the difference of squares. So it'd be x squared plus 4, x squared minus 4. Oh no, I can factor it again. So it'd be x squared plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2. This one, it doesn't have a GCF other than 1. So we just break it down. Break it down, my friends. Hey, it's a cube, so it'd be 2x minus 3. That's what you cube to get those. Then square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two, add the square. So this one, I tried to factor out GCF, but it's 1. So now I break it up. How do I use 2 and 5? 2 is 2, 1, 5, 1. So it'd be 10 and 1, because last term's plus, we're adding. So 2x, 1x, 5 goes with the 2, 1 with the 1, last term's plus, so both are the same as the middle. This one, it does have a GCF. Factor out a 2. Now, if you didn't do these problems and freeze the video, this probably is not going to help you out a whole lot. So factor that up. Last term's plus, so we're adding. So it's x plus 9, x plus 1. Oh, it's a 4-term polynomial. Do these three look like they go together? I think the Snicker bars is affecting my voice. Mercy. Do these three go together? I think they do. And we have a minus square. So factor this up. Now I'm going to skip a step. It'd be x plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared. I didn't put a 2 by 2 in this list. How sad for the 2 by 2. So it'd be x plus 3 plus y squared. X plus 3 minus y squared. And many of you would be happy to know I did do this before 6:30 in the afternoon. So, ooh-hoo. Hey, be nice to someone today. Out of the blue, be nice to someone. Don't put your little brother in a headlock. That would be a start. Hey, have a good day.